Semi-annual clearance sale. Gotta see what's up. They did change it to 40% off, which is fire. But do they have anything good? They didn't have much a couple weeks ago. $80 for these was at 48 bucks. Pro standard. Lakers shorts right there. Alabama shirt. 15 bucks. Irish shirt right here, $6. It's a size small. 15, 25. This is a small though. Dang. Tennessee, 85. SE shirt, 19. I'm looking at some random stuff. Some of the stuff still on sale, like these right here. These go for like 40 something dollars. The Dodgers one definitely not on sale. Still 48. Clippers one's going for 20. There's a smaller one. Cowboys one's 25 bucks. 25 bucks. That's almost 50% off. That's not bad. Not bad at all. This is what, Tervis brand. Not bad. Got Eagles, Steelers, 25. Lakers one's not on sale. These are 35 for the smaller ones. But yeah, this Tervis brand, 45. So 45 down to 25 still. $28 off. Not bad. Supposedly stays hot for 8 hours. I don't know about that. They got these still on sale. Not all of them though. 28 for that one. The LA Kings one. This one is on sale for 10 bucks. SC one 20. Broncos one $10. So it all just depends on probably how long it's been here. They got bottle openers on top. So some of their accessories on sale. Just have to look through every one of them, which is kind of a pain. Some places have it all together. Not this spot right here. I have a feeling these are on, no, they're not. They're not on sale. The socks, are the socks on sale? No, they're not. I thought the socks. Oh, okay, so some of them. The Raptors ones, $10, $9.99. And yeah, this Lakers one's $15, normally $22. They do got jerseys right here. These are kids jerseys. This is a small Tentacumpo. Yeah, that's too high, dude. Even with 40 off, I feel like, I don't know. Like Durant jerseys right here, I feel like those should be way cheaper. This is 40 off, I guess. Got a Booker jersey right here. That's actually a really good price. 90, 40 off on top. So was that 50 bucks? Oh no, that's $54. Aaron Donald jerseys 88. Remember 40 off on top. I just called my mom. I was like, should I get this for dad? And she's like, nah, don't worry about it. But yeah, they do have a medium. Durant kids jersey, or AD kids jerseys. 15. 88 for the Aaron Donald. That's a medium. Who's this? Larry Johnson kids jersey. 90 bucks. This is a Bibby jersey? Yeah, Mike Bibby jersey, 135. But yeah, nothing crazy. Davis jersey, $60. Hey, that's not bad. So it's at 36 bucks. Definitely not my size. And they don't have any fire jerseys. Like, I even like the old school ones, but no fire ones right here. Yeah, no fire ones at all. Do got a Morant jersey, double XL, $60. So that's actually crazy cheap, 36 bucks. So they do have a few jerseys that are crazy cheap. The Morant one, this is 90. So not too bad, not great though, not great. But yeah, I did see these LAFC jerseys in a few sizes. I saw small, medium, double XL. I think that's it in terms of really big sales. Oh wait, they do have hats right here, $10 hats. They got Lakers adjustable hats right here, Dodgers adjustable hats. Got Dodgers even fitted hats right here, 25 bucks. I think all the 25 and even the $30 hats are $10 now. Real Tree fitted hat right here. So they do have quite a lot of hats for $10 now. All right, we got a couple other stores. Shout out to the homie Rod. We were talking for a few minutes about who got deals, who doesn't. Well, mostly who doesn't, but it is what it is. But yeah, New Balance clearance store, 40% off, yellow tagged items. Appreciate Rod. And your kiddos definitely appreciate y'all. All right, let's look around here. We're definitely looking for stuff with yellow tags. That includes stuff in the aisles, as well as the clearance section right here where you get 40% off. This is a clearance store, so they usually have a lot more stuff in the aisles that's marked down. And I did see 990s for insane cheap at Champs recently. I don't know if they got men's and grade school. It seems like they had the grade school ones, but I have a feeling they had the men's one, but they just sold out hella quick. 990s right here, $200. They had them for $50 right there. But yeah, you get 40% off, so $120 for these. 90, 60s, 110. People have been talking about how bulky these are. They got those in multiple colorways, multiple sizes, $150 for these. This coffee looking colorway right here. These are going for $130, size 13s. Most of these, they got them in different sizes as well. Do got some thousands. I'm not a big fan of those. They're going for $80. 740s going for $90. Remember, 40% off makes all these prices decent. 1906 is $150. 574s going for $70. These have been here forever. $120 for these Levi collabs. Not a fan of the way these look. 580s, not really familiar with those. I'm familiar with the 550s right here, $90. 997s up here, 105. Extra orange right here, RC42s, $100. What's this right here? It's like double stacked. What the heck? $80 for the Fresh Foam Garou V2s, $80. 515s, $50. That's a hell of a price after a discount. Warps right here, $130. All right, let's move on to the aisles where we got a ton of stuff. 1906s, multiple colorways. They got some on the other side too. Oh, I forgot the prices aren't listed for everything right here. $60 for these. What are these? The T500s. $60 for these. Remember, 40 off on top. I feel like doing the math. For all of them, $60. That comes out to $36. 60 for, god dang, how many T500s do they have? Another one right here. Another one of these RC42s, 100. 480s going for 70. This colorway's been here for a while, $50. 471s for 100. Multiple colorways, $50. Holy cow. 997s. These bad boys are going for $70. We got 1960s. Didn't we see this? The clearance section too? 740s and a bunch of different colorways. Didn't we see this in the clearance section as well? $90. Under for these. 515s going for $50 minus 40 off. Does that come down to like $30? And we got these 1906s. Wanna be off-white looking things right here. And we got a bunch of stuff. Some of the stuff is excluded from the promo. A lot of the other stuff is buy one get one 50% off. So these Fresh Foam 1080s, 100 get one 50 off. So two for $200 or two for $150. Actually, not bad. Yeah, I got a plenty of these for 100. Do got the Super Comp trainers, 190. Love to grab one of these for hella cheap. That would be fire, but nah, not today. 993s not included, but these are in the buy one get one 50% off. These are all made in the USA. 990s right here, 200 not included. These are not included, but these are included in the buy one get one 50 off. And they've been trying to get rid of this colorway forever. $60. These are 993s. They've been trying to get rid of these forever. They got plenty of sizes still. Let's see what's going on in the women clearance section over here. These have been here forever. I'm surprised they haven't lowered the price. If they lowered the price, probably would get these 574s, $100, 40 or $70. My bad, $70, 40% off. So yeah, that's what, 40 something dollars, $42. I've seen these as low as 35. It was 70 and 50 off one time. 60 for 515s. 680s right here. I really like this colorway. Saw these last time. $80, 40 off. More 574s right here with some suede on it. 90. 515, 60. Did I show these already? What numbers are these? 80s going for 60 bucks. More 515s. Different colorway, $60. A fresh foam more. I'm so curious about the colorway. Ooh, that's an awful, in my opinion, it's an awful colorway. Fresh foam Moors. I freaking love these shoes. My kid thinks they're so comfy. I got these for a couple of my workers too. So 120. So 120. That's what 70 something dollars. And those are $72. $60 for fresh foam 1080 V14s right here. Smaller size. Are these the Rebels? I don't know. 100 bucks for these bad boys. They're not the Rebels. They look like them, but they're not. 515s right here, 60 bucks. 520s, 70. These are the Rebels, the Fuel Cell Rebel 4s, 110. Interesting how there's more casual stuff in the men's, in the women's, more performance, more running shoes over here. Kind of interesting. It's been like that for quite some time. All right, let's move on to the aisles where we got 574. This is actually a pretty dope colorway. I like the different textures and stuff. $60 after a discount. 60 for these. Another one right here for 60. A whole slew of them. Holy cow. Platform 515s, 515 each for height, I guess. I don't know. 65, 40 off. Trails, multiple colorways. Fresh foam Heroes. Go for 130. $60 after the discount for these 1080s. I grabbed a couple of these for my workers. 680s for these right here. 70 for these. 520s. Revel V5s 130. I think these are the latest version as well. So solid price. Some 80s. Dynasoft Nitro. What the hell? Some hiking shoes going for $70 plus a discount. That hasn't been changed. Super Comp trainers right here. These are going for $180, 40% off. That's such a good freaking price. $680 right here. 520s. Still got a few more right here. What are these? Arishis. 515s. Multiple colorways. 997s. That might be some of the cheapest prices we've ever seen. 237s. Fresh foam 680s. And another one of those. And they do have apparel for 40% off. I think it's anything that's marked yellow with the yellow tag. Not this one. It's that Lakers colorway right there. Oh wait, it does say regular price apparel, so 40% off regular price stuff, it looks like. And they also have a clearance section. Yeah, anything marked yellow, also 40% off, so 15 bucks. Another 40 off on top. That is a hell of a price. Do they have any black ones? Like, all these are hella bright. They got these running pants, $70. Got sweats over here. Awful color, 70 for those. These running pants, 70. 50 for these. I got a pair at Foot Locker for like 10 bucks, but definitely not this color. It is short like this one though. It is short. Comes up right above the knee, which is good for running though, because it doesn't get in the way when you're running. It won't get caught on anything, but a little more than I want to spend, because these would be like close to 30 bucks. Well, shoot, would be 30 bucks. Also got socks and stuff like that on sale over here. Looks like everything is yellow tag, so $6 for 2 pair of super thick socks. These are really nice socks, so actually a really good deal. 15 bucks for those right there. Oh, they even have their performance ones. Actually, those look hella thick. But yeah, 10 bucks a pair, so $6 each. All right, there is a Pro Image Sports. It says they have a year-end sale right there. See what that means. They got a nice little clearance section, 2 racks. Oh, it says blank apparel. I was like, what? Oh, it's all stuff that they can customize. That's what it is. But, you know, you need a hoodie for freaking 10 bucks. Hoodie for $10. And it is Gildan, which is actually a pretty good brand. It's actually a good brand for stuff. But yeah, 10 bucks. It says jackets for $20 or $19. Polos for $5. So $5 polos if you need polo. Sports Tech, I never heard of that one. And then t-shirts for $3. T-shirts for $3. I don't think they have. Oh, they have gilded t-shirts. I would actually take some if they had any my size. I'm a fan of that brand. Oh, this is like a thick t-shirt too. Wow, not bad, especially for $3. Yeah, they don't have any my size. Dang it, I like these black t-shirts. The gilded, whatever, dude. I like that brand. But yeah, they don't have any. Yeah, gilded. Yeah, they don't have any smalls, unfortunately. Dang it, I like these black t-shirts. Bastards. Even these jackets, they're like plain jackets, $19. $19. Kind of crazy. See what's going on over here in the other one. Got Lakers PJ pants. What they talk about? What they talk about? $35. This price is marked. Is that a Ronnie Lott jersey from way back when? $70. $60 for Yankees. Hoodie right here. Raiders women's t-shirts, $20 for the mediums. Women's Fanatics t-shirts, $40. Cowboys medium Nike dry fit, $40. Normally $90 down to $40. Vikings PJs, $20. I have a feeling those Lakers ones are $20 as well. Is this the Cowboys? I don't know. Dodgers Nike jerseys right here. They are blank. Yeah, $70. Niners 47 brand women's. What's a sweatshirt type of thing? $50. Broncos jacket 60. More of these Ronnie Lott jerseys 70. They got some decent stuff here. Decent stuff. Cowboys large hoodie. This is a Nike $60. This is a Tua jersey right here XL. Go for $79.99. I was gonna say 80. I don't know why I said that. 120. And then you got a Packers women's 40. Not bad, not great, but not bad. Ooh, this is fire. Double XL 47 brand, $60. $220 for these. These are the authentics right here. Normally $375. Holy crap. Wow. Looks like some of the football stuff starting to go on sale. Genty jerseys going for $80. Damn. It straight up says better luck next year. That's checked out. That's cold-blooded, but that is so hilarious, dude. Holiday sales right there. I was like, what the hell is going on? No, those are kids' jerseys. McCaffrey. Got Purdy. Damn. Do they know like they're gonna get knocked out soon? Is that what it is? What the hell? Yeah, these are all kids' jerseys. Cowboys jacket right there, $120. Number 200. I got a sense of humor. This place is hilarious. That is funny. All right, we're out, man. We're out, you guys.